The summer that never ends. October 27th today, people. Nice weather, nice sun, 24 degrees. Today, our hydraulic lifters, struts, yes, rear hatch struts on the Wagon R are dying. Okay, they were dying. Now, when it's cold out, they actually don't function very well, and this keeps falling on me. So we did buy some replacements. So we're going to show you guys exactly how to take these off. And yes, you only do one at a time, so the thing doesn't come crashing down. We'll show you how to do that right now. So actually, I just realized I've never done this before. No joke. What I've done before is I've removed the whole piece, the actual bolt head, the nut head piece. But the ones they gave me don't seem to have that. It looks like there's a release clip and then you just sandwich it on. So come with us as I myself figure this out. Okay, the hatch totally fell on me, but I'm okay. I guess the hatch can't be supported by one. You need both, so that's fine. This is a push clip kind of situation, so easy enough, problem averted. Let's continue. Nice. Really hard to do alone. Like seriously, I had to hold this up with my neck. Okay, so I'll show you guys how to do that now that I confirmed it worked. So, let's begin. What you would do is you would get something rigid and thin like this awl, A-W-L. You would push this in like so and pull out the clip. At the same time, you're going to pull out the entire assembly. Now be careful, because this hatch presumably is going to want to fall on your face. So please be careful. Okay, now presumably this should just fly right up. Sweet! That's awesome. All right, I've never had to do that once in my whole life. I've always had to remove the trim, and you see there's a bolt in there right there. You would have to remove those two and take the whole assembly off, but I guess the way the Wagon R comes from factory is that you just pull these little pins. So quick review here, if you're still sticking around, you would grab this, put an awl in like that, you would place it in, it's very rigid, and you would pull this pin, you'd pull this whole kind of clasp band out, pull this out, and the whole thing will come crashing down. Do the same for all four sides and you should be good. All right, learning experience every day. Thanks for watching.